Loyverse POS. What is it and how is it making business more sustainable? Watch this video to find out more. This video contains sponsored content from Loyverse POS. Loyverse is a digital point of sale service which can streamline your business into running more efficiently. It has three main features. It can issue e-receipts to customers, process product payments, and manage restaurant orders with ease. Making a sale with Loyverse is very simple. All you have to do is select the item you are selling to the customer and type in the quantity demanded. The payment will then go through the system. Loyverse can issue digital receipts to customers as well. After the payment goes through, you can send a receipt to the customer by email, all of which takes under a minute. Lastly, Loyverse has a kitchen display system which processes restaurant orders and tells the kitchen staff what they need to cook. You can attribute each order to an individual table and clear an order from the list once the order has been completed. And you can do all this on a single device. Now let's have a look at Loyverse's sustainability credentials and how this digital POS system could benefit your business. Paperless transactions save lots of paper. Whilst one receipt might seem insignificant, if we consider the billions of receipts we use as a society, it's clear that the impact is enormous. Because producing all of the UK's receipts leads to the destruction of 200,000 trees each year. The resultant deforestation contributes to climate change, kills endangered species, and disrupts the water cycle. Moreover, e-receipts lower operating costs. If businesses go paperless, then there's no need to buy receipt paper or receipt printers, both of which are very expensive. Besides, receipt printers use a lot of electricity, and switching to e-receipts can help bring down your business's energy use. Not only does this lower your energy bills, but it also goes a long way in conserving our precious planet. Last but not least, Loyverse boosts customer satisfaction, because there's a problem with paper receipts. If you need a refund, it's really easy to misplace the receipt, and then you spend hours rummaging in your bag looking for it, wasting everyone's time. But in the world of paperless receipts, this problem does not exist. E-receipts streamline the refund process, contributing to increased customer satisfaction. After all, sustainability is not just about the environment, it's also about social and economic factors as well. To find out more about sustainability, check out this video appearing on your screen here. Loyverse POS could be the next step in your company's path to a sustainable business model. It reduces paper waste, lowers operating costs, and boosts customer satisfaction. Loyverse has 1 million customers in over 170 countries. So what are you waiting for? Get the Loyverse app today.